السلام عليكم جميعا ومرحبا بكم في درس جديد لهذا اليوم. Hello and welcome to a new lesson in our YouTube channel Speak Arabic Fluently in a fun and easy way. In the last episode, you learned important words related to hospital. In this episode, you are going to learn common verbs in Arabic, and with each verb, we are going to give the past and present tense. هل أنتم جاهزون؟ لنبدأ. Are you ready? Let's start. Let's begin with the word ask, and this is the present tense, and it means يسأل. يسأل. For the past tense, asked, and it means سأل. سأل. For example, the students always ask their teacher, which means الطلاب دائما يسألون معلمهم. الطلاب دائما يسألون معلمهم. The second one is cry. This is the present tense, and it means يبكي. يبكي. And the past tense, cried, and it means بكى. بكى. For example, the baby began to cry, which means الطفل بدأ يبكي. الطفل بدأ يبكي. Go, which means يذهب. يذهب. And the past tense, went, which means ذهب. ذهب. For example, I go to school every day, which means أنا أذهب إلى المدرسة كل يوم. أنا أذهب إلى المدرسة كل يوم. Help. This is the present tense, and it means يساعد. يساعد. And the past tense, helped, which means ساعد. ساعد. For example, you must help the old man, which means يجب أن تساعد الرجل العجوز. يجب أن تساعد الرجل العجوز. Put. For the present tense, it means, in Arabic, يضع. يضع. And the past tense, in English, it's also put, but in Arabic, it's وضع. وضع. For example, my dad puts the car under the tree, which means أبي يضع السيارة تحت الشجرة. أبي يضع السيارة تحت الشجرة. Take, which means يأخذ. يأخذ. For the past tense, it's took, and it means أخذ. أخذ. For example, she takes the pen to sign the paper, which means هي تأخذ القلم لتوقع الورقة. هي تأخذ القلم لتوقع الورقة. Walk, and it means يمشي. يمشي. For the past tense, it's walked, and it means مشى. مشى. For example, he walks on the beach every day, which means هو يمشي على الشاطئ كل يوم. هو يمشي على الشاطئ كل يوم. And the last one, sit, which means يجلس. يجلس. And the past tense, it's sat, and it means جلس. جلس. For example, the child sits on the carpet, which means الطفل يجلس على السجادة. الطفل يجلس على السجادة. We reached the end of our episode today, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more content like this. And don't forget that practice makes perfect, so practice every day. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, please drop it in the comments down below. Bye! مع السلامة!